Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be painting my brake calipers. I'm gonna be painting the same color as my engine bay. If you haven't seen the color my engine bay, this is what it looks like. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, mask off the wheel well, and clean the brakes up, and then we'll start painting. Let me show you what kind of paint I'm using right now. All right, here's what I'm using. I'm using trash bags for masking, brake cleaner to clean the brakes. Here's my paint. This is Duplicolors DE1632 Chrysler Red. I'm using regular tape. I don't have any masking tape, but this should do. And then I'm gonna sand down the brakes so I can get them a little smoother. And right now I'm about to go ahead and jack up the car, and we're gonna start on this side right here. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna loosen the nut in the back, lift up the brake so I can cover the pads, and then I'm gonna try to work my way behind here with the trash bag to cover off the disc, and then I'm gonna sand it, clean it, and then we'll start painting. So that's one thing I forgot. I gotta get the wrench for it. Give me 1 second. All right, so I got me this Tiger wrench. If you guys never seen one of these before, it comes with multiple sockets, and what you can do is just twist it into what size you need. It's not the best, but it works when I don't feel like looking for which socket I need. So I get my trash bag. Dang, I only have one trash bag. Oh well. Alright, so I got it maxed off. It's not the best masking, but it's good enough to where it won't get overspray everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down a little bit, then I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna start to paint. Like I said, not the best masking job, but hey, right now I'm just hoping for the best. All right, so let's get the paint. Shake it up, shake it up. All right, let's do this. So I'm gonna let that sit for the first coat, for the first 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and do the next coat. All right, so I went ahead and put the last coat on it. I think it looks good. I'm gonna put everything back together, put my brakes back in, put the assembly back together, take off the masking, and put my rims back on and show you guys what it looks like with the rims on. Alright guys, this is currently the next day. My battery died on my camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what the brakes look like on the rims. I need to clean my rims and repaint them because it's not doing the brakes any justice, but they look pretty good. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So here it is on the driver's side. I like the way they stick out from the car. Like I like it. And the reason why I even painted it red because my car is gray and black on the outside, and I just want a little bit of the red that I'm throwing on the car to stick out. So I thought this was a pretty good idea. Show you the other side. Yeah, you can't really see it on this side because it's so dark because of the shade, but I think it looks pretty cool. I like the way they look. They look nice. And I have a little bit of imperfections here and there, but it's only when you get like really close. Let me show you this side. When you get really close, you can see little tiny imperfections like right here. And I think that's like in between there. But it's cool, like from far away, you can't even tell. Now, in the description, I have 2 videos that show how to do this correctly. I didn't do it correctly. I wouldn't recommend doing it the way I did it. I just did it because I just want to make my brakes look red. I'm gonna probably change out the caliper and put one, I think it's called Brembo. I like the way those look. I'm gonna get one of those. I think those might be just brake covers. I'm not sure. But I seen them before in another video and I seen them on eBay. But I like the way those look, and I might be changing them out for these. I'm changing these out for those. Well, if you go to the other videos that I have in the description, they actually show you the correct way to do it, from the sanding to having primer to the paint, how to mask. I just used what I had and just hope for the best. And you know, it turned out pretty cool. I think it makes the car stand out a little bit more. I really need to get a new fender. I hate the way that one's all bent up. I didn't make a video about it, but this was just something I did. I was just bored and I just went ahead and did it. I'm gonna change these headlights out, but I painted on the inside of my headlights. That gives the car a little bit of another look. But you see what I mean by the whole red? This is what I'm talking about. I have red right here. You know, red sticks out there. Red on the brakes. I'm gonna get me some lug nuts, some red lug nuts, so that can stick out a little bit too. And that'll probably be all the red I have on the car. Because the only other red I have, not the tail lights, is this Mugen logo. Oh, and I need to get the emblem, the Type R badge. I really want to get that. But yeah, if you guys like the video, you know, let me know in the description. Let me know in the comment section what you guys like about the brakes, the car. So that's it for right now. I think the car is coming together. I just can't wait to get a paint job. I can't wait to get all the dents and dings out. I think that, you know, I got a car coming together. I need to work on the interior more. There's a lot of pieces of the interior missing. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video.